Hey guys, this is me. Yes, Shodham Patil guys. Today I am going to. Today my topic is three secret of zero to hero. Guys, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yes Shodham Patil. My school name is RJS English High School, as well as I am the student of Step by Step English Speaking Classes Academy. Guys, I would like to start. Guys, my first secret. Guys, my first secret is that we should always get guidance. It is first secret because if guidance is not there, so we can't learn English, and guidance is must if we want to become something in our life. Suppose you want to become a doctor, so you should get the guidance of the doctor. You should get support of the doctor. If guidance is not there, so nothing is there. And guidance is that thing. It will take from one step to another step. It is very nice thing, guidance. Second is environment also most powerful, because if if you are waking up at 10 o'clock, and your brother is wake up in 5 o'clock, your mother is wake up in 5 o'clock, your father also, so then you will also think, yes, also I should wake up 5 o'clock because everyone is wake up in 5 o'clock, so also I should wake up. So like this environment if we will get, so it will be very nice. Then afterwards, then we will think afterwards, then uh, my friend is talking English. He is very small boy, but then also he is talking English. And she is college girl, she is also talking English. Arey, he live my beside me, also he is talking. So then like this environment we get, so then we think that yes, also I should do, because that power have environment, and environment is more powerful than your willpower. Means environment is there, it is more powerful than your willpower. And what is willpower? Means it is our power, our uh, means our power. Like this, it is our willpower. And third, it is very most. First, I told you guidance. Second, I told you environment. Third, I told you activity. Activity is very nice because someone wants to be English confident, or he want to learn English. So activities is must, because activity is very nice. It is very nice thing, and activity is very nice. Means I one activity I like in that FB Live activity. It is very nice activity. And I means when I go to FB Live, so I feel very nice because it is very nice thing. We go FB Live and we give our presentation there, and we feel very good when we give presentation on FB Live. So it is very nice activity, and my most power, um, my most uh, activity is that I like it most, and it is very powerful also. Fast. Fast activity is very nice. There are four categories. I would like to tell that. First is C category. Means uh, C category means what? We have to talk only 1 hour with our friends, or any neighborhood, or any father, mother. We have to talk only 1 hour. Uh, 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 in B, what happens? We have to talk 3 to 6 hours. Means if generally it is also okay. 3 to 6 hours means half day, approximately half day. We have to talk English, and we have, and A category means we have to talk whole day on fast day, means on Friday. It is very nice thing. And fourth category means A plus category. It is means every day we have to, every time and every day we have to talk only and only English. We have to speak only in English. So this is three secrets. And I would like to tell special activity. Means special task what I have done in I like to do special activity. It is on Sunday. Means sometime one day what happened? Sir gave me three special activity. First was I have to take interview of new student, sorry, old student, and I have to do group discussion. And third was I have to go alone FB live. So I completed this all three activities, and it was very challenging also for me. And this time also I want to give my best. And special activity means I would also want to complete my special activity. So this is my all three secrets and special tasks. Thank you for being with me and bye.